show with
Flair.
and fuck's sake, everyone else has been kidnapped. Even though Spikey's been defeated, it's kidnapped. And yes, they've been kidnapped. And yes, this is episode 4. Cue the music! That's a guy's voice. Welcome to the Fuck Show! Alright, let's go rescue them!
Yeah!
Down here.
I hate to see it.
This is definitely the work of Madame Lee. She loves pink things.
I'm gonna use my mini weapon.
Up here! We found you guys!
You found
What's all this racket?
Final showdown!
Oh, it's you! Ow! Ow! Stop hitting me with an axie! Ooh! Ooh! Die! Dumplings! Where's Flair? You have to get Flair. This can't be random. You're not even holding it, idiot! You're not even holding the axe.